Hi, good morning.
Yes, good morning too.
How are you today?
Well, it's okay. Fine, thank you.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My experience, I start to work abroad since 1989 to 91 to Singapore, all around housemaid. And after that, I went to Hong Kong for 8 years, 1991 to 2000. And that is a poor employer. And after that, I went to Lebanon, sorry. I went to Lebanon 2001 until 2004. It's also housemaid all around. And after that, I went to Abu Dhabi, 8 years in the palace of Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan. I'm a server of the princess for 8 years. That is 2004 until 12. And
And
then after, I have another employer here in Dubai. It's I'm look after the twin boys and 7 years old girl. Um, all around housemaid too.
okay.
Right now, I'm looking a job and I'm a visit visa.
Okay, so with your previous employer in Dubai, what is their nationality?
The nationality of my employer in Dubai is Egyptian Canadian.
How many members in the family?
It are all five.
How old are your children?
When I start, the eldest daughter is only 5 years old, and the twin boys not yet delivered yet,
Okay.
still in the
And
tummy.
what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Well, my responsibilities all around and look after as a nanny for
Okay.
the twin boy.
How long did you work with them?
I just finished my contract.
Okay. Why you decided not to continue your contract?
Supposed to be I want to go to Russia, but everything is down. That's why I changed my mind to find another employer again here.
Okay. How much salary are you looking for?
Oh, please, depends on my experience. I hope try to a little bit higher than the maximum here in Dubai. It should be I can start 1,800 is okay up.
Okay. What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
For me, it's I don't have any
Yeah.
favorite work. It's all around.
Okay. And what
I don't mind.
what food can you cook?
Well, number one is Philippine food, a little bit Chinese food, and
Okay.
Japan this Egyptian food,
Okay.
and a little bit Arabic.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
Well, it depends. If I'm the one to look after every day, I can feel it because she will be crying, or he's crying, or really, we can feel if you are really from your heart, in your mind, to take care of the children. You can feel like a mother.
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
Well, I just first thing I can do, I will take my telephone. I will inform to my madam it what is his order. So I think maybe I bring to the hospital or what.
Okay. Do you consider yourself lucky and why?
Yes, I know. I'm very lucky woman because since I become a helper, all my madam and my sir and all the family, they are very good to me. So I'm
Okay.
sure I know I'm lucky.
What are your hobbies?
Oh, my hobby is cooking.
Okay. And how many years you want to work here in UAE for?
Well, it depends. If I'm lucky for my future employer, I can stay more 4 years.
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer and why?
Yes, I guarantee.
Why?
Yes, I know because it depends on my experience ever since until now. All my madam, they will let me to stay. They don't want me to go.
Okay. Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.